Okay, guys, so it's time for a rant. How to interact with me in Twitter DM. Now that I have close to 15,000 followers, I get almost 40 to 50 direct messages in Twitter every day. And as many of you know, that I reply to each and every message, not just cryptic reply, not just reply which will dissuade you. I give very encouraging replies, at least initial replies. Then, depending on what value you bring to the conversation, how much humor you inject, how much you are going to help me, or something interesting for me also, I keep the interaction on, sometimes for full day, sometimes for many days, sometimes for many months. And I would love to know your progress, but there are certain do's and don'ts when you are interacting with me in Twitter DM. First of all, biggest don't just write hi and disappear. You're wasting your time, you're wasting my time, because I am opening all my DMs. So write at least a paragraph about what you want from me. If it is a first message, don't say just hi. Okay. Second, don't, in the first message itself, unless I have responded to you, don't write full 5 pages. Write a small paragraph about what you want, who you are, and then wait for my reply. And depending on where my reply is going, then you add more to it. Let's say you have a strategy which was working, which is CPR, MACD, love, lesson, sub, everything is there, right? Don't write everything in the first message itself. Maybe I don't know the indicator. Maybe I don't know your strategy. Maybe I'm not interested in your strategy. Still, I'll be very respectful and I'll tell you some way about it, or maybe I'll be curious to learn about that strategy. Okay, that is one. So one short paragraph, but not 5 pages, not simple hi. Second, you have to respect my time. I reply to everyone, but I am not your girlfriend. If I don't reply immediately, don't get mad at me. And I will not reply immediately because it takes time. As the queue is getting longer and longer, sometimes I reply after 4 days, 5 days. So you have to be patient because you are seeking something out of me, right? So you have to be very patient. Third, if I am engaging with you, and let's say the engagement progresses on whichever direction, your strategy, my strategy, anything like that, then after the initial warmth and initial knowing each other period, you have to bring something on the table for friendship to grow, to interaction to grow. If you fail to do that, if you act like a parasite, where you are just trying to draw value from me, sir strategy बता दो, सर ये बता दो, सर मेरा टेक महिंद्रा का स्टॉक है, मेरा टीसीएस का स्टॉक है, इसमें क्या करूं, उसमें क्या करूं, ये क्या करूं, ये पोजीशन लिया, इसमें क्या करूं, you're not adding any value to me, you are eating my time, right? So please be very mindful of that when you're doing that. And I would love to be your friends for life, but you have to keep adding value. That is how world works. I'm so ashamed to tell all of you that this is how it works, except very close relatives, except your parents maybe, right? Then if you want to keep the interaction live, and if you have to be my friend, start thinking how you can help me. Okay, you can help me in various ways you can help me. Let's say you're watching a video, you can put in comments, you can put time stamps. It's a 10-minute video. Okay, it's introduction at 30 seconds, 2 minutes, first 2 minutes boring, then at 2 minutes this is something funny. You can put a timestamp. You have helped me, right? Takes 10 minutes of your day. Okay, or maybe you can like 5 tweets of mine, right? Anything, or you can give me trade ideas which I can put up in the Telegram. But it has to be interesting. It shouldn't be like 13 ideas a day and none of it works, right? So you can add value in many ways, but you have to add value, right? Don't try to be sarcastic or remotely that kind of funny where you are insulting also. I'm very sensitive to insults, and most people are when they are strangers. So don't try to insult me, okay? And don't demand my time, okay? I don't owe you anything. Whatever I am providing to you, it is an optional contract between you and me, right? You are free to leave and I am free not to give, right? So don't demand my time, don't demand my attention. If you're worth it, you will have my attention. I follow at least 100 people who have less than 50 followers. don't ask for any promotion, right, in Twitter DM, because I have already made a video how you can become famous. So there you do the hard work. Okay, so that's it for now, guys. Hope you have a great trading day. Something happened in the morning, it just disturbed me, so I thought, this rant is worth it. Bye bye.